Yes, butterfly. Yes, butterfly.
I need a can of Fix-A Flat.
All the sisters out here. And Lee, what color you?
Oh, it's on a stick. Now I'm on my way.
That's right. Oh, he's steep.
Yeah, I'm looking for a 3-foot piece of...